Good morning. Good morning. Hello YouTube. Thank you for watching. This video is going to be on a product that I ordered online. The link is included below on the description. This is a wallet, so I was looking for something that's cheap, and this is what I found. I purchased this, I believe it was for $5 or probably $6, and it was for Amazon Prime. Surprisingly, it's built aluminum built. It has a money clip on the back. It includes a, I believe this is a card, where you can put your card. You can stick this on the front like this, in comparison to having a bulky wallet. So the reason why I purchased this is because my wallet is actually made of leather, and it's one of those traditional wallets. So just push that out of the video. Alright, the product name is called Fancy, very feminine, but you know, I don't really care. I just need the product for it to work. One thing that I can say is that sound, I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but it squeaks. It squeaks a little bit. Maybe it just needs to be, you know, it needs to be used, and you know, maybe after a while it's gonna stop squeaking. So it has a spring. The way it works is it has a spring. There's a lever. I don't know if you can see that, but unfortunately you can't see it. But anyway, there's a lever there, and once you pull this, it fans the cards out. So whatever you put there. So for this demonstration, I'm going to put a card. For my safety's sake, I'm going to put a card that you guys cannot figure out what it is. So let me do this real quick. I'm going to put a card, Firestone. Right, so this is a good amount of cards that I have here. One of the cards is a little smaller. It's a business card, so this probably doesn't matter. So I'm going to stick that in there, right? Oh, that card is a little too what do you call that? It's too tall for this. Alright, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to put these cards in there, and they're squeezed tight in there. So if I could probably it takes a lot to actually take this off, so I'm pretty confident that it's gonna hold up. So how this works is you just pull this lever and it fans out like this. Pretty fancy. I like it. In comparison to having a, you know, a bulky wallet that's a 1/4 inch thick, this is much less than that. I don't know how thick this is. I can probably take a ruler. Alright, so going back, and how thick is this wallet? So let's see. That's a 1 centimeter right there, and I'm going to see, it's actually less than 1 centimeter. And let's see how much it is in inches. So that's half the inch right there. So if you can see, it's fairly thin, considering the $5 price, made of aluminum. It's pretty sturdy. So far I have no complaint. As you can see, it's fresh out of the box and it just arrived today. So let's do this. Let me see if I can. So this product is claimed to be RFID proof, right? One thing that I was actually aiming for is because when I was traveling in Japan and I did not pull my card, and I kept my wallet in my bag. I kept my bag with me. Nobody actually took my bag and opened my wallet and take all my cards and made a swipe. But when I made it in Japan, all my cards were depleted. So a little traumatizing. Fortunately, the bank actually refunded my card after I claimed I didn't do it. It was a very unusual purchase. Oh, hold on. I should have not have done that. Oh. Let me see if I can still take this out. Yep. Okay. That was okay. Yeah, the reason why is because I don't want to hit this every time I pull that. So we're just gonna keep it like that. This is made of something elastic. I'm not sure what it's made of, but yeah, pretty handy. Looks pretty good. Let me see. Just taking this JDJapanDrift.net. I'm not advertising them. It's just a business card that I actually got a few weeks back, and this is how it works. Just an example. So cool, and that's it so far. That's all I got, and please click the link if you want to purchase this product. The link is provided in the description below. Oh, one more thing, just to demonstrate this money clip. Everybody knows what that is, but it's a money clip, right? Alright, I look forward to using this, and there's going to be a follow-up video of this getting used on a daily basis. After a week, I'll probably upload another one as a follow-up review on this one. Okay, have a good one.